Hi everyone, I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm based outside of Washington, D.C. in Arlington, Virginia. My clients, however, are located all throughout the United States. Some of them are even outside the United States, but no matter where you are located in the US or outside, we can help you with only US immigration matters, right? So that's anything like bringing your family into the US or trying to get status or extend your status in the United States, applying for humanitarian options like a victim of a crime, asylum, or trafficking type of visa. So we try to help you find ways to stay in the US. We try to help people come to the US if they qualify. So if there's anything like that we can help you with, please don't hesitate to call our office for a confidential consultation. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, that's 703-348-1663. I'm streaming live right now on TikTok, on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram. If you don't already like or follow us on these platforms, please do so. You can find us. We're Agarwal Immigration on all our platforms. Excited to be here today to help you with clarifying your immigration related questions. So feel free to pop your questions in here. I will do my best to get to them. I'll be on until about 6 o'clock Eastern time today. If you have questions, I would love to answer them for you. I will be on again tomorrow. I'm committing to coming on tomorrow and also on Friday. So if I don't get to you today, make sure you like us, follow us so you can be notified when I am on here tomorrow or when I'm on here Friday. Of course, share this with others if you think they might be interested in popping on and asking immigration related questions. As a heads up, everything that I'm talking about is general. Since I don't know your immigration history, your immigration background, since I don't really have an opportunity to talk with you confidentially about your case, what I'm giving you is just general information. It might not apply to your specific situation given your immigration history. So to find out advice, immigration advice that applies specifically to you, make sure you call our office or go online on our Facebook page or our website and schedule a confidential consultation. That's 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Like us, follow us, and you can check out my availability on all of these on our website and on our Facebook page to see what works with your schedule, and you can book your consultation right there. Our office does close at 5 p.m. Eastern time, so we're not available right now to take your call, but if you call, leave a message, my assistant Kriza will give you a call back tomorrow right away to help you schedule a consultation. Okay, great. So let me get started. I want to talk today about asylum, and this is not something that we talk about very often, so I'm happy to answer questions on other case types as well, but I want to give you some information about asylum. Nick, hi Nick, nice to see you, is asking, do you do an E2 visa? E2 is for investors, and yes, we work on E2 cases. We work on many pretty often, so we definitely handle employment-based cases, investment-based cases, so certainly would love to chat with you guys about any of these case types. If you want to talk specifically about whether you qualify, so E2 is going to be something where we want to talk about your business, talk about which country you're from, to talk about what investments you've already made in the U.S. To help you qualify for this type of visa. So if you want to talk about that, give us a call. Schedule a consultation. You can do that on our Facebook page or you can do that on our website. But if you want to reach us, you can do that at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. All right, great. I'm seeing so many questions on here. Mohammed, nice to see you. Ola, nice to see you as well. Thanks for joining me. And go ahead and put your questions. And Mohammed, I see your question about your aunt, and I would like to answer it very soon. All right, great. Guys, if you want to join me on YouTube, on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, we're Agarwal Immigration on all of them. Share this with your friends. Follow us and like us if you don't already, so you can be notified when I go live. If you don't know me, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm based in Arlington, Virginia, but no matter where you are in the U.S., we can help you with your immigration questions, your immigration case. So put them in here. Obviously, the information is going to be general since I don't know your specific case, but hopefully I will be able to provide some helpful information about immigration that might be able to help you get some clarity on some of the questions you might have. All right, great. Okay, so the question I wanted to get started on, we always have a question of the day, and I want to talk today about asylum, okay? I want to talk about asylum. So the first thing is, can I bring my family members, if I filed for asylum in the US and it's pending, can I bring family members from outside the United States? So many times people have a wife, people have kids in their home country, they've come here and filed for asylum and they want to bring their family to the US. So once you file for asylum, if it's pending, you can't use that application to bring them to the United States. There's nothing preventing them from applying for a separate application, and there may be complications with that. But in order to bring family based on your asylum application, you have to wait until it's approved, and then they can come in after your asylum case is approved. If we can help you with this, if you have an approved asylum case and you want to bring family members in, you can definitely give us a call. I would love to chat with you about your eligibility, and you can do that at 703-348-1663. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I help clients all throughout the United States and all types of immigration matters. I look forward to talking with some of you more about that. That's a very common question that we get. All right. I see, let's see, there was a question here that I wanted to answer. Okay. Mohammed says, my aunt is undocumented and she works in housekeeping. They're using her for extra hours, but they're not paying her properly. I would love to chat with your aunt more or with you and your aunt if she needs someone to help with translations. I would love to chat more about that. There is a visa type, it's called a T visa, that can apply to people that are being exploited, harmed, not paid properly at work, right? And it's a pretty cool visa in the sense that it's much faster than some of the other visa types, some of the other humanitarian visa types. You can get a T visa in about a year, and a T visa is a pathway to a green card, which is really exciting. And of course, from a green card, you can go to citizenship. So all of this is super, super valuable if you qualify. So that's something I would really consider, Mohammed. You can call our office or you can schedule a consultation online on Facebook or on our website, agarwalimmigration.com. Our Facebook page is Agarwal Immigration. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. We do our consultations by phone, by Zoom, or in person. So you can schedule right now if you want to go ahead, but if you want to wait to call our office, you can do that tomorrow, 703-348-1663, or call them and leave a message. We'll definitely get back to you if that's the case. Okay, thank you for your question. I'm hoping that what I said was helpful to you, Mohammed. I'd love to chat with you more and hopefully get your aunt in status. That would be huge for her to have a green card and ultimately citizenship. All right, great. Mohit is asking, how long does it take for a prima facie determination? So how long does it take for a prima facie determination? This is usually in VAWA cases where someone is filing for their own green card based on abuse from their U.S. citizen or a green card holder's spouse. So once you file the application, you get what's called a prima facie determination in usually about 2 to 3 months. This is where the government looks at your application and they think you have all of the elements for approval. Of course, they want to check through your application some more, run some background checks on you as well, but it's basically a great first step if you filed a VAWA case. If we can help you with your VAWA case, call us at 703-348-1663 or schedule a consultation on our Facebook page or our website, agarwalimmigration.com. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney helping with all types of immigration cases. Thank you. Great, that was a great question. I hope that was helpful to you, Mohit. Awesome. Also, I have, can you request asylum at the U.S. border, right? So can you request for asylum at the U.S. border? So you essentially can come to the United States, and if you don't have a visa and you have a credible fear, so basically you have to show you have this fear of being harmed if you return to the home country, they they may let you in. There are other policies in play. This is a really complicated process right now, at least with our current administration. But the law is that if you are afraid of being persecuted in your home country and you come to the U.S. border, that you should be let in and until they give you an opportunity to appear in court and file your asylum case, or you can file your asylum case with USCIS. Okay, I hope that is helpful. So essentially you apply for asylum once you're in the United States, but if you get put in removal proceedings, you can ask for asylum in front of an immigration judge as well. If we can help you with your asylum case, if we can help you figure out what you qualify for, give us a call, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. I'd love to chat with you more about your immigration case and see what you might qualify for. Okay? Here's another asylum-related question. Surva says, how about a third country rule? So what is the third country rule? So when you're applying for asylum, what you're telling the government is, I can't go back to my home country because I'm afraid I will be harmed. I might even be killed if I go back to my home country. So the third country rule is essentially you showing the government that there's no other country where you could go for refuge, where you could go and live and be protected against the possible harm in your own home country. So that's what the third country rule is. It's applicable to asylum cases. If we can help you with your immigration case, give us a call. We're at 703-348-1663. If you don't know me, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm based in Arlington, Virginia. We help clients everywhere. We help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration cases. Look forward to meeting some of you for a consultation. All right, I hope that was helpful. Bolt says, this is happening a lot lately. Bolt here on TikTok says, my VAWA case is transferred to another office. What does that mean? My VAWA case is transferred to another office. What does that mean? This is a great question. What we're seeing is that a lot of VAWA cases right now are being transferred to other offices to speed up processing times. So it's nothing bad. Just the transfer alone doesn't mean anything about how strong your case is. Many cases are being transferred for service centers that don't have as much work as the Vermont Service Center, who was accepting all VAWA cases. So now VAWA cases are no longer being filed in Vermont. I think they're being filed in Nebraska, I want to say. I don't know why, it's not clear in my head. We do so many of these, but they're being filed now in Nebraska. It used to always be in Vermont. It doesn't matter if your case is transferred. It doesn't speak to the strength of your case. In fact, it's good, because hopefully that means your case is going to go faster than having it backlogged at one service center. So I hope that's helpful. Give us a call. If we can answer questions on VAWA, you can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. All right, another question is, when can I be eligible for a green card after receiving asylum? Which is awesome. When can I receive a green card after getting asylum? So if your asylum application is approved either in court or with USCIS, you are eligible to apply for a green card after 1 year. And after 5 years as a green card holder, you are eligible to apply for citizenship. So getting asylum is a huge benefit if you are afraid of returning to your home country, if you fear persecution, if you return to your home country. Call us, maybe we can help you with your asylum application. You can reach us at 703-348-1663, or check out our Facebook page, our website, agarwalimmigration.com, to schedule your consultation right now. Your consultations are always with me. I do them by phone or by Zoom, and we talk about all of your immigration opportunities, go through the timeline, go through the process, discuss any possible issues for your immigration applications. Okay? Great. I hope that answers your questions. I have another question. It's going to be my last question for the afternoon, just because I have a call at 6 p.m. Eastern time. I wanted to come on and chat with you guys, and I hope that this is helpful. But let's see. I have a VAWA RFP that was received by USCIS. It's been 1 year and no response. Okay. I can't speak to that. It does take a long time. It takes about 1.5 years from the start of your case to usually get a VAWA approval. Sometimes we get it much sooner. We received a VAWA and green card approval in 10 months recently, so it varies. It's all over the place. If you have a strong application, be strong in that. Hopefully everything was truthful and accurate. So be confident, send your good vibes. And just the fact that it's taking a long time doesn't mean anything. You can perhaps speed up your case if you want to take certain steps. Not sure if you want to do that, because ultimately it involves suing the government. So if you want to call us, we can help you. We can talk you through some options. Reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Gothra is asking, this is my real last question, you guys. Gothra is asking, how many months after I'm married can I apply for a VAWA? There's no requirement. You just have to be married. You have to live with your spouse. There has to be abuse in the marriage. Of course, that abuse can be physical, psychological. Most of the time it is not physical. It's emotional, verbal abuse, right? So you have to live with your spouse. There has to be abuse in the marriage. Your spouse has to be a U.S. citizen or a green card holder. And if all of that is true, you should be eligible to apply for a VAWA. So there's no specific timing requirement to apply for a VAWA. You don't have to be married for a particular amount of time, but you might want to have enough evidence to show that you are in a real marriage and it's not just for immigration purposes. Okay, I hope all of this is helpful to you. If you want to chat more about your immigration case, call us, schedule a consultation. I would love to get to know you better and know your immigration situation better. I will be on again to answer questions. I've got to run right now, but thank you all for joining me. I love coming on here and chatting with you, and I love your questions. So please please keep them coming. I'll be on here again tomorrow, and hopefully we'll see you on then. In the meantime, if you haven't liked us on our social media, please make sure that you do. And if you know of others that could benefit from speaking or asking these general immigration questions, please share this post with them. And I will see you on very soon. Have a wonderful evening, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks so much.